Okay, so welcome back. Today is 4th February, and I have to, as per promise, I have to share today strategy and roadmap for this channel. So I think the best way to share this strategy and roadmap through the YouTube is share this video as a question answer format, right? Um, so I have prepared few questions, and all these questions are primarily related with the strategy, how we will proceed in this channel, what should be the timeline, what kind of content you will expect from this channel, and so on and so forth. And these all are related with the strategy. So probably you will get the most of the questions which is related with the strategy in the form of question answer here. And if anything left by me, you can ask by commenting or giving the feedback, or maybe asking direct questions, and I will see that questions and answer it. That way I think it is better to share the strategy of this channel. Okay, so the first question is this course only for experienced engineer? Of course not. This is not only for experienced engineer. It is for both kind of engineer who are either experienced in industry, or those engineers who are not yet become the software engineer. He is in progress, or maybe in plan, or in route to become a software engineer. So for those kind of, but of course I have seen that many channels which is primarily available on YouTube or any social media or any public forum, who are focusing more and more towards the fresher. And I have not seen much channels, maybe some are there, but I don't know exactly. I have tried to explore, but I could not find enough content for experienced engineer, especially who are having 5-10 years of experience of industry, more than 10 also. And if he wants to improve overall skill set again, then what kind of, is there any kind of support available in public forum? I could not able to find much information. So I thought let's start these kind of channels, so that it get benefited to those all large set of engineer who are part of industry, but now after a few years they realizing that they have to improve in their skill set to move ahead. So for those kind of engineers, this channel is more helpful. But as I told you, it is not only for those kind of engineers, it is as equivalently good for other kind of engineer who are who are the future candidate for software engineering industry. So the next question is, how frequently these content will get updated? Okay, so here is the little bit constraint. For me, I think as of now, with constraint I have in my hand, I can able to update this content on weekend only. So on like every week I will update all these 4 category area with some videos, and but only on weekend. My involvement at max is possible, like every day I can give few hours to prepare these videos. In the morning I usually wake up around 4 a.m. So I will try to use my some hours, morning hours, for this content, and then on weekend I will dedicate my full time on this channel. Yeah, this much information I can share as of now, but as we progress I will see it. If I might be collaborated with other open engineer who are willing to support this channel, then of course in that time maybe we can increase the time and content duration, content availability every week also. But for now I think weekend is, but I make sure that every weekend I will update each section, like all these section: soft skills, DSA, design and architecture, and industry skill set. All these 4 sections I will try to update, so that it can benefit all kind of a person who are looking for all these different sections. So that I can promise. Next question is, do we have any charge in this course? 100% free. There is no charge at all for anybody, and I make sure that it will not be chargeable for at least 2023. I am promising that it is not going to be chargeable at all, and going beyond also it won't be chargeable. This is my vision, that it always free for everyone. Can we have dedicated doubt session? I thought it definitely, and since I have limited time right now, so I will try to give I think 1 week every month for doubt session. And so on that day, if my members wants to ask any doubt related to the past content, he can ask. But maybe due to if I need to give them on time, like in within this video, I can give there only. Otherwise, I will put the answer on some blog or somewhere so that he can read it. If the time is not permitting to all question answer, then definitely all doubt question answer, then definitely they can go to the blog and they can read the answer. Next question is how we will manage engagement of participants. Okay, so this is not in my control actually. This is in your control. If you think this content is valuable and giving value to you, I request you, my humble request to you, to subscribe this channel, see the content regularly, follow it, and share your feedback. Also, if you want some specific direction or some specific topic which you want to push in this channel so that I can produce that kind of content for you, for your consumption, then please share the feedback. Also, I request you that share this channel as many as of your friend or of your colleagues who are similar situation and he and she wants to also update their skill set. Please share it so that it will reach maximum to maximum people. Once this get to maximum reach, this has a value addition because I get lots of feedback, I get lots of comment, and then I will add those kind of update and feedback in this content, which will be the value addition. But maintaining the participants engagement, this is in your hand, not in my hand. So I request all of you, please do honestly follow the content if you like it, and share it also further if you really think that this content is going to help you. Do we have any offline support portal for detailed learning? Yes, this is a very good question. I think most of the time video can't explain you everything. Video has limitation. It has only like 10 to 15 minutes video, so it can't give you the full detail. So as of now, definitely I do not have any sites where I can put these content, but I have a plan, maybe going down the line 2 or 3 months, I can launch some sites dedicated for this purpose, because for preparing the content, I believe that you already know lots of research is required. No topic without research any content uploader is uploading, and if he is not doing right research, then that is also not fair. So in my point of view, I will definitely research lots of things, so and those intermediate finding I will put in this on this site so that it will be benefited. It will get benefited by reading all these participants, and also they can get the benefited with the further, how we can analyze any topic. These kind of understanding they will get from this resource. So this is definitely, I have a plan to do this thing, and I'm hoping that I will complete within 2 or 3 months, I believe. What is my motivation behind this course? Honestly speaking, I have seen that, in fact, I personally experienced that after some year of industry experience, many skills are degraded because of your day-to-day engagement in something else, and your skills is faded out. And then after once it faded out, gaining again those kind of skill set in your bucket is not easy. Believe me, I have invested many years to regain my capability again. So I believe that this is not easy task. And most of the engineers who are experienced in industry, especially 10 plus, 15 plus, 20 plus, they can easily, resemble with this pain. So I will definitely gone through with this pain, and I definitely want to share with you that this pain is not easy. You have intention, you have all these motivations, but when you actually go and try to acquire it, you will feel that sometime lack of motivation, you will feel sometime lack of content, you will feel sometime many different channels you have to follow. So many problems you will face during this phase. So I realized that this is one channel definitely required, where all these kind of skill sets club together so that it would be easily followed by experienced engineer. That is my intention, and I thought if I have gone through this phase, let's share this knowledge to my fellow engineers in industry who might get benefited with this. Yeah. How this channel is different from other channels, I think it is already answered. Because this is this channel is holistically discussing all skill set required for experienced engineer or any engineer who wants to become a good software engineer in industry, especially in product driven industry, software product driven industry. Yeah. Do we have any roadmap with topic and timeline? Yes, this is very good question, and I think I have to prepare. I'm already in progress, and I will share you some roadmap topic and their timeline. But one disclaimer here, that whatever I will share, maybe sometime I will not able to follow. It will get delayed because of my time constraint only. So please assume it as a tentative timeline only. And but whatever I promise, I will follow and I will deliver. That is, I have to make sure, and that I will definitely make sure it. But some timeline may skip, may be delayed because of my other priority work. But I will try to follow as much as possible. Yes. Do you have any plan to expand this channel for commercial purpose? Honestly speaking, I have no plan as such, until unless something is drastically changed for me. And if something drastically changed for me, then I will update you. And at this capacity at this moment, I don't think any reason to commercialize these kind of free services. Its purpose is totally different. My vision here is to support all of you, or all of us, including me, because I have gone through this pain and I can understand it. What is the roadmap of this channel going forward, especially beyond 2023? What I feel that this 2023, this year, I am primarily focusing on foundation for all, to get it at certain level. And after that, like beyond 2023, I feel that in 1 year, I will try to pick 4 quality of challenges, which is technological challenges for industry, especially focusing on India. And out of that, like for every quarter, I will try to focus one challenge, and we will create some POC for that challenge. Lively, I mean to say, its creation is live, and it will follow the complete software life cycle, so that content consumer will get benefited of each stage of software development life cycle, be it requirement gathering, requirement analysis, maybe design, architecture, development, and then post development maintenance phase, and so on and so forth. So these kind of like complete commercialization stays from POC to commercialization to marketing. All these things you will get within that 3 months period for one technical challenges. And kind of like similar kind of 4 challenges I will try to solve beyond 2023. I mean to say 2024 onward, I will start these kind of things. But it also depends on the progress of this channel in 2023, how we will progress. I hope roughly I have shared the channel strategy and roadmap. Apart from this question, if you have any new question in your mind, please put in your comment, and so that I can answer your comment. And otherwise, next week onward, I will try to cover up more and more content in different sections, as I mentioned. And every week you will find consumable content which will help you to improve in certain scenario. Okay, thank you. Thanks a lot. I wish you a happy weekend, whatever the weekend left now, and see you on next week. Thank you. Thanks a lot.